How to change profile picture in the Twitch app. If you have been using the Twitch application and wondering on how to change your profile photo on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Twitch application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now to change your profile picture, tap onto your profile icon at the bottom right here. Select it. Then here you can find your edit profile option right here. Tap on it. Now here you can find your profile picture right here. Select it. Now simply from here you can change your profile picture. You can choose existing photo or take a photo. For now I'm choosing the existing photo. Now tap on it. And from here you can simply add a photo just like this and tap on to choose. And simply tap on to done. Now wait for a few seconds. And now you can see your profile picture has been changed. And that's it. This is how you can change your profile picture in the Twitch app. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.